Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Staying hydrated is essential, but not all water is created equal. If you want pure, contaminant-free water for drinking, cooking, or even medical use, a distilled water maker is a game changer. In today's video, we're comparing the best distilled water machines on the market, looking at efficiency, speed, and reliability. Whether you need crisp-tasting water or a sterile solution for labs and appliances, we've got you covered. All the product links are in the description below, so let's dive in and find the perfect distilled water maker for your needs.
Number 5. VEVOR Water Distiller. The VEVOR Water Distiller boasts a powerful 750W motor that operates at a remarkable speed, producing over 0.26 gallons, 1 liter, of distilled water per hour. With a capacity to distill up to 6.3 gallons, 24 liters, of water in a day, it efficiently eliminates the majority of impurities found in tap water, providing you with peace of mind regarding your water quality. High-quality construction. Crafted with quality in mind, this water distiller features a durable 304 stainless steel interior water tank. The storage tank, constructed from PBT plastic, ensures safety and reliability, with all water contacting parts meeting food-grade standards. This attention to materials guarantees both longevity and purity in your water distillation process. Enhanced cooling mechanism. The upgraded design of the VEVOR Water Distiller incorporates a top-of-the-line 4-blade aluminum fan, replacing traditional plastic components for improved durability. Additionally, the heat dissipation tube has been upgraded to 304 stainless steel, ensuring optimal heat dispersal and extending the lifespan of the machine. Attention to maintenance. VEVOR understands the importance of maintenance for optimal performance. The water distiller comes with replacement activated carbon packs, ensuring continued effectiveness in removing impurities. Regular replacement is recommended, and citric acid is suggested for scale removal. Routine cleaning helps maintain a pristine interior environment. Number 4. ROVSUN Countertop Water Distiller. Designed for simplicity, the ROVSUN Water Distiller operates automatically upon plugging in, ensuring convenience and ease of use. With an auto-off feature upon completion of the distillation process, you can trust in its reliability. Additionally, a reset button allows for easy initiation of subsequent distillation cycles. Cleanup is a breeze, thanks to the large openings in both the distiller and the carafe, facilitating easy access and maintenance. Superior quality construction. Crafted with excellence in mind, the ROVSUN Water Distiller boasts a fully 304 stainless steel body, inner tank, inner cap, water outlet, and water inlet, ensuring durability and purity in every drop of water produced. The use of aluminum fan and soft catheter further enhances its reliability, while the 4L shockproof glass container with a handle provides both safety and convenience. Rest assured, all materials used are food grade, ensuring the highest standards of quality and safety. Efficient performance. With a powerful 750W motor, the ROVSUN Water Distiller can produce up to 1 liter of distilled water per hour, making it an efficient choice for your water purification needs. Its built-in thermostat prevents overheating and ensures automatic shutdown for added safety and peace of mind. Say goodbye to the hassle and expense of purchasing bottled water and enjoy the cost-saving benefits of pure, distilled water at home. Number 3. Megahome Water Distiller. Your safety is paramount, which is why the Megahome Distiller is Underwriters Laboratory approved. As a trusted independent global safety science company, UL ensures compliance with stringent safety standards for U.S. products. Megahome Distillers are one of the few UL-approved water distillers available, meeting fire safety requirements often mandated by home insurance policies. Uncompromising quality. Crafted with the highest standards in mind, the Megahome Distiller features a full 304 stainless steel interior and exterior, including the boil chamber, upper steam dome, and stainless condensing coils. With water never touching plastic, you can trust in the purity and integrity of your distilled water. Purest water output. The Megahome Distiller is designed to produce 1 gallon of pure water every 5.5 hours, distilling water at 212 degrees Fahrenheit, the optimal temperature for removing unwanted toxins and contaminants. Additionally, it comes equipped with 6 high-quality activated charcoal filters for optional use, effectively capturing and removing VOCs like chlorine during the distillation process. Glass collection for purity. To ensure the utmost purity and safety of your distilled water, the Megahome Distiller includes a durable porcelain-lined nozzle and a glass collection bottle. Say goodbye to concerns about contaminants leaching from plastic components, as glass ensures the integrity of your water. Exceptional service and warranty. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Megahome Distiller offers peace of mind and assurance of top-quality service and support. With over 22 years of market presence and recognition as the top-selling distiller worldwide, Megahome is synonymous with reliability and customer satisfaction. Number 2. Pure Water Water Distiller. With the Pure Water Mini Classic CT, purity is guaranteed. This exceptional distiller produces approximately 0.8 gallons, 3 liters, of 99.9% plus pure vapor distilled water in just 3.5 hours, ensuring a steady supply of clean water to meet your hydration needs. Convenient design. Designed with user convenience in mind, the Mini Classic CT features a removable boiling tank, facilitating easy filling and cleaning for hassle-free maintenance. Say goodbye to the complexities of water purification with this user-friendly distiller. Quality construction. Crafted with precision and durability, the Mini Classic CT boasts made-in-the-USA stainless steel construction, ensuring longevity and reliability in every drop of water produced. The inclusion of a glass jar for water storage adds a touch of elegance while maintaining the purity of your water. Enhanced safety features. Safety is paramount, and the Mini Classic CT is engineered with double-clad construction to increase safety and prevent burns, providing peace of mind for you and your family. Warranty assurance. Backed by a 15-year warranty on stainless steel components and a 2-year warranty on electric parts, the Pure Water Mini Classic CT offers unparalleled assurance of quality and reliability. Invest with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected for years to come. Number 1. Water Distiller. Say goodbye to impurities and contaminants in your tap water with COZ's Tabletop Water Distiller. Protect your health and enjoy clean, fresh water free from harmful chemicals, VOCs, and solids, ensuring optimal hydration and well-being. Fast and high-capacity distillation. With a powerful 750W motor, the COZ Water Distiller delivers pure water at a rate of 0.3 gallons per hour, providing you with a constant supply of clean water to meet your daily hydration needs. Its generous 1.1 gallon 4L capacity ensures you always have enough water on hand. Durable and hygienic design. Crafted with quality materials, the interior of the COZ Water Distiller is constructed from 304 stainless steel, offering durability and corrosion resistance for years to come. The water pitcher is made from BPA-free plastic, ensuring safety and ease of maintenance. Versatile usage. Beyond drinking and cooking, the COZ Water Distiller is suitable for a variety of applications including coffee machines, humidifiers, CPAP machines, aquariums, and more. Experience the convenience of having pure water readily available for all your needs. Safety and ease of operation. Equipped with automatic shutoff features, the COZ Water Distiller ensures peace of mind during operation. It automatically turns off when the temperature reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit or when the water level is low, safeguarding against overheating and potential hazards. A simple reset button allows for hassle-free resumption of the distillation process. Effortless maintenance.